Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I have got another unboxing for you, and it's a limited edition from ASOS, and it's one of their new 6 Gift of Beauty edits. This is the Gift of Skincare bag. They all cost £25. The Gift of Skincare has a value of £90. There's a Gift of Makeup, which has a value of £62. There's a Gift of Fragrance, which was a close second for me. I was umming and ahhing whether to get that one or not, and that's got selling fast on their website, and that is worth £80. And then you've got the Gift of Hair Care, that is worth £86. You've got a Gift of Bath and Body, and that's worth £68. And then you've got a Gift of Grooming, which is worth £56. You'll find a link to the page which has all 6 of these beauty bags that are on sale. None of them are sold out yet, so they're all still available. And down there you'll also see all my discount codes and offers to other websites. So you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So let's get on to showing you then what's inside. I'll just take out the card first. If we do say so ourselves, we always pull the creme de la creme of skincare, and these are no exception. Changes in the weather can take their toll, so we've selected skincare saviours that target a range of concerns. Take your pick and create a fully new routine. So just to give you an up close look, there's all the products, but look at the bag, it's quite cute. I do love makeup bags, and I do have a load of them. But yeah, I like that one. I love a see-through one. I go through all the products based on the card here. So starting off, we got something to tackle dullness. This is the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm by Elemis. It's an award-winning cleansing balm. It's really, really good. Cleansing your skin doesn't have to mean stripping your skin of moisture. This hydrating balm contains microalgae to help boost your skin's radiance while removing your makeup. So yeah, it smells gorgeous too, although I don't think, no, my smell is gone. So weird, so weird. But no, I can't smell it properly. But yeah, it's a gorgeous cleanser. It is, woo, butterfingers. It is a really gorgeous cleanser. On to Patchology. You've got eye pads. And these are Serve Chilled Rose Eye Gels. It says something to tackle under eye puffiness, containing resveratrol to help calm inflammation and hyaluronic acid to up skin's moisture. These eye gels are your eye bag's best friend. Pop them in the fridge when you need to look extra fresh, apparently. I do this anyway. I always pop them in the fridge. Next, we've got something for uneven skin tone. This is Sunday Riley CEO Glow. It's a vitamin C and turmeric face oil. Use this iconic oil for a boost of brightness and hydration. Thanks to vitamin C, turmeric, and several fruit extracts, your skin is about to be pampered. I'm sure I got one of these, a full-size one of these, in an advent calendar this year. This is a really nice one as well. Ooh. They do my favourite night oil, the Luna. I love that one. But no, this is a really nice one as well. It doesn't leave a gunky mess on your skin. Yeah, it's a really, really nice one. Just leaves your skin nice and soft. And obviously has the benefits of turmeric and vitamin C then for brightening. Next we have something to help with acne scarring, which is really good. This is the Ordinary Aloe 2% and NAG or NAG 2% solution. A soothing serum for blemish prone skin. And there's 30 mils there. A product designed to reduce post-spot pigmentation, but it'll also help strengthen your skin's barrier while it's at it. We love this multitasker. Oh, this is perfect timing for my daughter actually, even though I could use it myself because I've got a big spot coming up there, but my daughter's suffering really badly with scarring. Just surface scarring, not pitted scarring, but yeah, any spot that she has, it just leaves marks for months and months. I'm going to be saving that for her. It just says to use morning and night. So a soothing serum for blemish prone skin, something for sun protection. We've got Lancaster. This is Sun Beauty Sublime Tan face cream with SPF 30. And there is 3 mils here. This water resistant formula helps protect your skin from sun damage without leaving a white cast. Game changer. Teeny tiny sample, so like a one use sort of try. Something to help with irritation. We have got First Aid Beauty, and this is a pure skin facial cleanser, and there's 28.3 grams there. With a pH balanced formula, this cleanser helps to maintain your skin's natural acidity to reduce redness or flare-ups. This means it's great for all skin types, including very sensitive skins as well. So there's that. And then lastly, something for dryness. We've got Murad. This is Vitamin C Firming Radiance Day Cream. And there's 7.5 mils there. Moisture Replenish and ceramides derived from pineapple extracts are here to help revitalise, replenish and rehydrate. Say hello to plumper, healthier looking skin. This is a gorgeous cream. It's a little mini one. It'll probably last you about a week, something like that. But yeah, it's a nice cream. I've used this many times. Get a boost of luminosity from ceramide-rich pineapple extract and vitamin C in this nourishing day cream. Bacillus ferment helps visibly firm and hydrate the skin's barrier for a healthier looking, radiant complexion. It's got that. Those are all the products in the Gift of Skincare beauty bag by ASOS. So we got a firming day cream. We got an SPF 30 face cream. We got a soothing serum for blemish prone skin. We got Patchology eye patches. We got a pure skin face cleanser from First Aid Beauty. We got an Elemis Pro Collagen cleansing balm. And lastly, we've got CEO Glow. It's a face oil by Sunday Riley. I think for £25 it's a nice little edit. As I said at the start, it was a toss up between this one and the fragrance one. This contains a lot of products I've tried before and I do like. Blemish Solution Serum, that sounds really lovely, but I'm going to be giving that to my daughter, which is another reason why I went for this as well. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Did you go for any of the other 5? Or are you just learning about it for the first time? I'd love to hear what you think, so please comment down below and I'll see you in my next video. Hopefully my voice will be a little bit better. Take care. Bye.